Snapchat has added a new feature called Bitmoji TV, which brings you cartoons starring your own Bitmoji. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Snapchat Bitmoji TV. Now let's get started. To access Bitmoji TV, open Snapchat and tap Discover at the bottom. Now tap the search bar at the top and type in Bitmoji TV. When it appears in the search results, tap Bitmoji TV to launch it. You'll see a list of available episodes here. To watch one of these videos, tap whichever one you want to see. An animated video starring your Bitmoji character will then begin playing. Grab a snack and enjoy. While watching one of these episodes, tap your screen to bring up playback controls. Using these, you can pause and play, and move forwards or backwards in the episode by dragging the playback marker. While watching these episodes, you may see some of your friends' Bitmoji characters in them as well. Snapchat will select your Bitmoji's co-stars based on who you've most recently interacted with on Snapchat. You can share this episode with your friends by tapping Send in the bottom right corner. Select who you want to send it to, add a chat if you'd like, then tap the Send button at the bottom. To close an episode, simply swipe downwards. If you'd like to see new Bitmoji TV episodes appear on your Discover page without having to search for Bitmoji TV, tap Subscribe. You'll then see new episodes appear in the subscriptions bar for easy access. That's all it takes to watch Bitmoji TV episodes on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.